Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Hype Fishing. So today we're fishing on the Poudre again, but the conditions have changed quite a bit from a couple days ago. They're actually running about half the water out of the Poudre that they normally do. So it's really low right now, which is going to be great for my spinnerbaits. Anytime the water is lower and more clear, you're going to have better success on the spinnerbaits and the jigs. I mean, you can catch them on flies for sure, but I just like having a little bit more of an obvious presentation, especially in that really clear water. The trout are going to be a little bit more aggressive because they don't have quite the amount of food flowing through that they normally do as well. So that's the plan today, guys, is hopefully hook up on some nice rainbows and maybe a brookie or a brown in these low conditions. So that's the plan. I also wanted to explain to you guys why I always wear these type of fishing shirts. I know a lot of you are probably like, what in the world is he doing? Always wears long sleeves in the summertime. Colorado is so sunny that if you're not wearing long sleeves year-round, you have a lot greater risk of getting skin cancer, as well as in these low river conditions, you want to have some kind of a fish camouflage on. Whenever the fish look up to attack the bait, they're going to see you and they're going to know that you're a human. So that's why I have my face mask, as well as my fish camo and my glasses. And I also fish about 10 feet or so off the river. I try to use rocks for cover. I don't stand on top of them when I fish. And that just all really helps me to keep concealment whenever I'm trying to go after these trout in low water conditions. So that's the plan today, guys. Hopefully we get into them, and wish me luck. Look at that brown trout, guys. That thing is just absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, I am absolutely terrified right now. I just stepped over about a 4-foot rattlesnake. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it on camera, and plus I'm kind of glad I didn't because I jumped like a total dingo. But oh my gosh. Oh, that was terrifying, guys. I looked down and the thing was curling up. So I jumped and took off and didn't even look back. So if they ever tell you there's no snakes in the mountains, they are flat wrong. I'm about 8,000 feet up in elevation right now, and that thing was an absolute gigantor. Oh my gosh. So guys, if you're in the mountains, look down, because I promise there are poisonous snakes out here and they will 110% attack you if you are not paying attention. I got really lucky right there. I got really lucky. I mean, I was standing right over the top of that snake. That was terrifying. That was absolutely terrifying, guys. So fishing has been tough today. I've caught 3. One of them's been on camera. I've unfortunately lost all my spinner baits now, but I'm gonna keep on trying with this little brown grub that I have and see if we can get any more. Alright guys, so we are all done fishing today. Unfortunately, we only ended up with 3 fish, but after I saw that gigantor rattlesnake, I can't say I felt like fishing too much longer, so I fished that last pool that you guys saw, and then I was like, you know what, I don't have any more rooster tails. I saw a gigantor snake. I've caught 3 fish. I think I'm okay. I'm gonna go. So it ended up being a pretty good day. I only fished here for about an hour and a half or 2 hours. I would have liked to fish longer, but after seeing that snake, like I said, I was just like, no way, I am out of here. So it ended up being a pretty good day, guys. Most of the fish that I caught was on those brown and yellow and white rooster tail. And that little rooster tail is just supposed to be imitating some kind of a little brown trout. But overall, good day. I had a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all the support, and go ahead and smash that like button if you guys liked my video today. So see you guys on the next one. Take care.